Hello everyone, this is Indira Bhandari. I'm a 7th grade science teacher for Wake County Public School Systems. This is my third year with Citadel and I have loved every moment. Each year we learn more and coding becomes much easier. For my project, I usually have a presentation like this for the students. And on day 1, this is the assignment that Citadel had given us. So that's the one that I introduce my students. Next day is what the activity I'm going to go over with you. This third activity, I'm still working on it, that the students will work after they have gone over with tornadoes. So usually the presentation talks about paired programming and the essential questions, the standards, what knowledge they will get, the warm-up. There is a small video that they have to answer, and then it goes over, it tells them how they can save their code and what are the Parsons problem they have to look, and each of the Parsons problem has been given. They have the information about each of them. In the end, once they are done with the program, they are going to make sure that they go to the reflections page and they are going to complete this reflection. This is a Google form that I will talk to you in a few minutes about. Every time I normally try to keep a teacher version of the program and a student version of the program. The student version has the Parsons problems written for students to easily find them, and each of them have been numbered, so it is easier for the students. But I will show you the teacher version so you can see how this program runs. In the beginning, it will go over the introduction, and soon it will quiz students based on the pictures. They have to answer the questions. Today we will learn about severe storm. A storm is a violent disturbance in the Earth's atmosphere. This is because of the low pressure system. Tornado is a funnel-shaped cloud that reaches the Earth's surface. If it happens in any water, then that is the water spout. Usually it develops in thick cumulonimbus cloud. How does it form? First step, the warm air starts to rise up. Step 2, it starts to rotate. Step 3, it becomes like a funnel and descends to Earth. It causes a lot of damage because of wind. The safest place is the basement of your building. It is usually measured in Fujitsu scale from 0 to pi. If it is 0, minor damage happens, 1, moderate, 2, considerable, 3, severe, 4, extreme, and 5, incredible damage can happen. Now it's your time to tell me how much you learned about tornadoes. There are 10 questions. You should have at least 7 questions right. And remember, you are putting numbers between 0 and 5 for Fujitsu scale. Thank you. So at this point, because the student did not get at least 7 questions right, so the whole problem will start again, the whole program will start again, and students will have to relearn to again go over the quiz. Once they get it right, then they are out of the area. The next thing is for the students to go to the reflections page, and this is a Google form that I have done. So students tell me what they have learned today and what was their score on the quiz, and some small questions such as this. So if you need anything, please let me know, but this is a small program that I normally do with the students. Thank you, Citadel, for giving me such an opportunity to make this program and be ready for my students. Thank you.